Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the tutorial for a foundation half double crochet. This is a way to quickly create a not only foundation chain but also your first row of stitches. So it's great for super long chain, like 100 kind of projects. So this is how you get started with a slip knot. So you just go ahead and make your slip knot however you're comfortable doing that. I like to go real simple. And the first thing you're going to do is chain 2. Chain 2. Now the way this works is you're basically creating your chain as you create your stitches. So first thing we're going to do is yarn over, since it is a half double crochet, go into this first chain you created and pull up a loop. Now we have to make the chain for this stitch to sit in, so we're going to chain 1. And now we have the 3 loops for our half double crochet. Yarn over, pull through all 3, and we've created our first chain and our first half double. So we continue on, yarn over, and you're going to go into the chain you created previously. So just go through that chain right there, pull up a loop. Now we got to make our chain for this stitch to sit on. So we're going to chain 1 and then yarn over and pull through all 3 to finish off our half double crochet. So we have 2. And you keep going. You can see the stitches right here forming for the foundation chain under our work. So you kind of have to turn it up so you can see it. Insert your hook. Create the chain to sit your stitch upon. By chaining 1, yarn over, pull through all 3 to create your half double crochet. Yarn over, go into the chain you just created, yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, complete your half double crochet. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're creating our chain and our first row of stitches in one go, and it is a lifesaver. Thanks a lot for watching.